This quick tutorial shows how to create a custom filament profile in Bambu Studio. When you are in the Filament drop-down menu, you can choose between different default filament profiles. To add a new filament, click on this plus button. To change the color, click on the number next to it. Choose a color and click on OK to apply. To edit the filament, click on the three dots on the right and choose Edit. Then you can see all the settings of this standard filament profile. When you change a setting, it will turn orange to notify you. You can click on the undo arrow on the right to reset it to the default setting. Let's change the filament prime volume to 46 as an example for a new setting. By browsing the tabs, you can tweak many other filament settings. If any settings have been changed, the tab will also turn orange. To save the new settings, click here next to the profile name box. There you can enter a new name for the filament profile. You can also choose between a preset inside a project or a general user preset. Let's go for the general preset and click on OK. The new profile has been saved, and the changed setting is not orange anymore, but is saved to the new profile. When you change anything, it will turn orange again. Click the arrow to undo this. Close the menu and go to the Filament drop-down menu. Here, you can find all default filaments you have active. But when you hover over Custom, you'll see the new profile you just saved. When you click the minus button, the second filament will be removed from the project. You see, the first filament is active as the new profile. Now you can start using your new filament settings. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.